Many people believe that putting castor oil in the eyes can cure eye problems like dryness, redness, burning sensation, or even improve eyesight. This advice is often shared by elders, friends, and social media videos. But is castor oil really safe for our eyes? Let's understand the truth using medical facts. People say castor oil cures dry eyes, reduces eye heat, improves vision, heals eye infections, and is safe because it is natural. Since castor oil is commonly used for hair and skin, many assume it must be good for eyes too. This assumption is actually a myth. Castor oil should not be put inside the eyes. The eyes are extremely sensitive organs. Even substances that are safe on the skin can cause irritation and inflammation when used inside the eye. The eye has a delicate tear balance. Applying oil can disturb the natural tear film and may actually worsen dryness and discomfort instead of relieving it. Castor oil can also cause burning sensation, redness, and blurred vision. In some cases, it may even damage the clear front layer of the eye called the cornea. There is no scientific evidence that castor oil improves eyesight or treats dry eye, cataract, eye infection, or eye strain. Many eye doctors see patients with irritation and discomfort after using home remedies like this. Some people say that doctors also use castor oil in eye drops. Yes, some prescribed eye drops contain purified castor oil derivatives, but these are medically formulated, tested for eye safety, and used in controlled quantities. This is completely different from directly applying castor oil into the eyes. If you are experiencing eye problems, choose safe options. Use preservative-free artificial tears for dryness. Follow the 20-20-20 rule during screen use. Maintain proper eyelid hygiene and get regular eye checkups. Your eyes are not a place for experiments. Remember this important message: natural does not always mean safe for eyes.
Click, clack, pull it. Click, click, pull it.